Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your USDC to USDT in Kucoin. It's quite easy to get this done. You must note that a transfer could mean a convert. So I'm going to be showing you how you can convert on Kucoin. But before this, you're going to need an account. And if you do not have an account on Kucoin, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 3,200 USDT worth of welcome gifts and trading bonuses when you register and verify your account. So guys, with the verified account, all you need to do is head over to the assets section at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is where all of our assets are held and where we can find them by simply scrolling from your funding or trading account, depending on where your crypto is stored. As you can see, I have the USDC here. So now, in order to convert this USDC into the USDT, all I need to do is make use of this menu tab at the top of the screen by simply scrolling and selecting the convert option. So all you need to do now is click on convert, and where we have the BNB, replace the BNB with the USDC. So click on USDC, enter max, and simply click on confirm. Now, by doing this, we can convert our USDC into the USDT. And boom, guys, it's been done. So now, in order to complete this transaction, head over to the assets menu, reload your trading account, and you can find the USDT there. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.